This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I'm in the foyer of apartment 1012, where there's enough width to have a hall console table. And I'm looking at an in-unit washer-dryer, front-loading. You have space for shelving in the laundry closet. As you head further into the unit, off to the right you have a wall of closets that spans probably just over 12 feet. Unusual amount of storage space in this one-bedroom apartment. Continuing further into the unit, you have the bath off to your left. It's a slightly oversized bath. Has a wide vanity with 2 banks and drawers, designer lighting. There's a deep soaking tub with a rain shower head. The bedroom is opposite the bath. Windows facing out to the west, where you're seeing Target and the Wilson MUL station and strip of bars, restaurants, and shops that lines Broadway. And you're walking distance from the Uptown Entertainment District here. Again, you have a nice sized bedroom, can accommodate really any size furniture. Then you come into this explosive living, dining, kitchen space. 5 ceilings, you're seeing the plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. And you have windows facing out to the south with a view of the Willis Tower and the skyline, and out to the west where you're going to have a sunset view. Very bright space here, and you've got the best exposures if you're looking for great light. Kitchen has a breakfast bar peninsula, white quartz counters, a wide breakfast bar lip, USB outlets, a stainless steel appliance package that includes a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, 4-burner gas range. You have good cabinet and counter space because you have 42-inch upper cabinets, espresso stain, and then cabinets with the dishwasher are a white lacquer look. You have a wide farm-style sink. And again, looking out to the south. Terrific view, terrific feel to this space. 811 Uptown has an extensive suite of amenities, a location that's literally close to everything you're going to want to experience. Really belongs high on your must-see list when you're looking for brand new and terrific in Uptown. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.